In today's high-tech manufacturing environments, robots perform countless repetitive tasks, lifting, positioning, assembling, day in and day out. These repetitive motions put immense stress on their drive systems, often leading to imbalanced wear and tear in concentrated areas. Introducing the Archimedes drive, a revolutionary solution with no gears, and therefore, zero backlash. Instead of gear teeth, the Archimedes drive uses rollers with smooth surfaces that remain in continuous contact. This design eliminates backlash entirely. The result? Improved speed, efficiency, and precision in robotic performance. But that's not all. The Archimedes drive also brings a unique feature: over-torque protection. If an external force causes over-torque, the drive can keep functioning because the round, smooth-surfaced rollers slip instead of breaking. Experience zero backlash, unmatched efficiency, and built-in protection against over-torque. Discover the future of drive technology today.